Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the screen flickering issue in Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. There are just a few things you gotta be checking. The first thing is open the game folder, the game directory where you've installed the game, and see if you can find system detection DLL file. Delete this file and that should fix the issue. If you're not able to find this file, then see if you can find the file named version. This is a bin file. Deleting this should fix the issue. If you're not able to find this file either, then there should be a file named GPU database. Deleting this file should fix the issue. If you're not able to find any of these files, then manually download the system detection DLL file. Just type download systemdetection.dll file in the Google search box. Open the first link, dllfiles.com, scroll down and you should see the latest version on the top. Download the zip file, extract it, and then you should get the system detection DLL file. Copy and paste this in the game folder and that should fix the issue. If it's still not fixed, one last thing you can do is rename the file to something like systemdetection_0. So that's it guys, hope this was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to turn on the notification to not miss out on any of my future uploads. If you need help with any of such issues, just comment down below and I'll see if I can find a fix and make a video on that. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys in the next one. Have a good day.